Along with the specs, features, and pre-order deals, the Samsung Galaxy S24 has now been officially shown off in another way. First, before we get to the reveal, here are the details on how to pre-order the Galaxy S24. If you do this, you'll get twice as much storage for free, plus deals on the Galaxy Buds or the Galaxy Watch. On Twitter, Mystery Lupin showed off a lot of AI features. He told us about live translation, which means that the Samsung phone app will be able to talk and translate between languages in real time. We have nightography zoom on the S24 Super, which will make zoom shots in low light better. We also have generative edit, which uses AI generative fill to move, add, or remove things from your pictures. It works a lot like Google's Magic Eraser. Ice Universe also sent us a tweet in which he says the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be able to play 4K movies at 120 frames per second, which is twice as fast as its predecessor. You can be sure that the 200-megapixel wide-angle camera will be used for this. It's great for getting those super smooth slow-motion shots. Now we have another tweet from Ice Universe. In it, he says that the prices of the Galaxy S24 series shall go down. He says that they have more of the S24 Ultra and S24 Plus in stock because they think sales will be higher this time. A source also says that the price has been lowered. It was said before that prices wouldn't change this year, so hearing that they have gone down is great. Of course, the biggest changes will be the new flat screen form, the better hardware, and the amazing screen with a peak brightness of 2600 nits. The S24 Ultra has a 6.8-inch, 120Hz dynamic AMOLED screen with a resolution of 3088 by 440. It uses Samsung's new M13 OLED panel and is protected by Gorilla Glass armor. It has a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera for selfies, a 200-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 10x optical zoom. Despite earlier rumors, it's not going to. The S24 Ultra has a 5000 mAh battery that can be charged in 30 minutes from 0% to 65%. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.